Yeah, Anusha.
Yeah, so I have made you the presenter. We'll practice one problem and then we'll move to the next person. Okay,
Okay.
so can you please share your screen?
Am I not already sharing? I thought I was.
No, no, not yet. We don't see it.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah, so start a new program like some class or some class kind of thing with public static void main.
Oh, you want me to start, or I mean, you're giving a program that I need to
Y-
write and show you?
Yeah, yeah, you will write it right now.
Okay.
Mm, like public class test. Class can be static. You have to write class first, right? Then you will be writing
Okay.
methods.
Okay.
So public class. So give the class some name. Public class space some name. Yeah, and then open the parenthesis, curly braces,
Okay.
and now close it. No, first close the brackets.
Okay.
Okay. Now inside them start writing.
Inside the braces, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
I mean it's a good practice to avoid any syntax errors. Yeah, now do the public void static main. Static status.
Oh.
Yeah, and inside main the standard notation string capital
Oh.
S capital I mean to say, sorry, and square brackets then args. Right, now again open parenthesis and close it.
Okay.
Yeah, inside them. Okay, so this is how we start a program. Now start an integer,
Mm-hmm.
mm, and give it some value, any random value. Okay,
Okay. I
and
gave it 0. Okay.
yeah, okay, and take another one, j.
Okay.
Right. Now write a write a statement to calculate I to the power of j.
I to the power of j.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
you can check in Google if you want to. Not a problem.
Oh, okay. Let me try. Yeah. Okay, so it's just for one value, right? I and j. Okay.
Yeah, you took two values, right?
Okay. Yeah. So we don't need any loops here. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, validate.
Okay, so you're just trying to print what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Then, okay, try to run it. No, you don't have to select.
Oh, okay.
Mm, what's going on?
Uh,
Yeah, I can control your screen.
oh, yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Is
81
it
Java.
not working? Okay. Okay, looks like the thing is not working.
Okay.
One second. I'll give you another thing, another tool.
Okay. Sure.
Uh, Copy this entire program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Okay.
then open that link which I have put in the chat. Go to meeting chat.
Okay.
And scroll a bit down. You will see a try it out button over the code. Yeah, click on it.
Oh, try it out button.
Yeah, there is this code, right? Go a little up.
Okay.
Yeah, try it. Right. So paste your code here. You can remove the first line. Yeah. So it says there are compilation errors. Okay.
Okay.
So if you look at the first error over here, it says something wrong with this. So it's like
Okay.
public
Public
static.
static void.
Yeah, yeah, right. The second error says string of
Environment
args. This is clear. Yeah, it's all fine. It's all about the same. Now if you execute,
system does not exist.
right. So S is capital actually.
Okay.
Try to run.
I powered JS6.
3 power 5 is not 6.
Yeah. So this is not the symbol that I should be using.
Yeah, so there is no symbol actually. You should be using some function which is present in math library.
Okay.
Yeah, so check it. Java math power, something in Google you can check. Java power of two numbers.
Uh, Two.
No, no, that is different. If you read the problem statement, it is entirely different.
Power of two not.
Wait, so Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, K equal to math dot py m capital Java is case sensitive.
Yeah.
3 power 5
Yeah.
is,
81 into 3.
yeah, yeah, this.
What is it?
Okay.
What is it? Compiling the source code, executing the problem. I mean, the result section.
Okay, so if you remember the first class, how Java works, Java first
Mm-hmm.
compiles the program,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then it starts
Mm-hmm.
running it actually. So during
Yeah.
compilation, it will check all the syntax errors and stuff like that.
Okay.
After the compilation is done, then it will start running it. There might be runtime errors,
Okay.
like J is 0 or something,
Mm-hmm.
that like
Okay.
invalid test data. In that case,
Okay.
runtime errors will come, but if you have any syntax errors, during compilation itself, you will get the errors.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So Java first compiles, then it runs. So even if you do the same thing through command prompt,
Mm-hmm.
you will do first Java C hyphen this Java file. Then the next
Okay.
command would be Java space program one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So the same thing is shown down. Java C program one dot Java. This will be the first
Okay.
thing. Then
Mm-hmm.
after this is successful, then you will actually run Java space program one. You don't have to give all these inputs, at least to our
Okay.
machine. Okay. These inputs are
Okay.
given because this is working on a virtual space and it will ask
Mm-hmm.
for the amount of RAM and memory it needs.
Okay.
Yeah. So we usually give Java space program one. Java
Program.
C space program one dot Java here. Then here we just
Mm-hmm.
give program one. We don't give dot Java here
Program.
because it is already compiled and it's actually a dot class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, so you have given I and J, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Instead of giving, ask the user to give some input.
Okay.
So maybe you can try like mm, Java take input from user. I'm sorry for my bad typing skills. Yeah, go on, check it. Yeah, so that is how you ask a user to give input. Okay. So
Okay.
here
Yeah.
what are we taking? We are taking a string, integer, float. What are you taking?
Float.
You want to take a float. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
take this, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then these two. Sorry, these two lines.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So scanner in and then copy it from here.
Okay.
And scanner S capital if in case next time.
Mm.
Yeah, so now you declare int I no equal to 3
Okay. Yeah.
and you declare it
Integer in I comma j.
and that's all. Right. And the scanner should be below int
Okay.
It doesn't matter to Java, but for a clear understanding to ourselves, we
Mm-hmm.
will. It's better to do in a sequential order. So after that,
Enter a value for, okay.
system as capital,
Oh yeah.
value for I, only one. You can take one at a time.
Okay.
Close the double quotes. Yeah. Then go to the reference. Yeah.
Okay.
Where is
So
the float?
enter
Enter a
value.
float.
Mm-hmm. Not next int. Okay.
Yeah.
So for
Yeah.
using this, should we have to import, right? First, I mean, because we are using
Yes,
the,
we are using scanner, so you have to import the scanner.
yeah, import. Yeah. Okay.
Right. You can copy. Yeah, it's perfect. So after enter value for I, then
Mm-hmm.
next statement would be like I equal to
I equal to
in dot whatever
in dot new scan in
next
dot
int.
next int.
Right. Yeah. And no, look at the syntax. You're messing it up.
Mm, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is case sensitive, which I can never get for sure.
I'll take this. You
Okay. Where is equal to dot next
get
int?
out.
Yeah.
Thank you
Mm,
so much. Congrats. Just a second. We'll meet after
yeah.
this. Yeah. Now, perfect. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Okay. Should I execute?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, do you think you need anything else? No, right?
I don't think so, but what's wrong? Enter a value I exception.
Mm.
Okay.
So, in
Mm-hmm.
the in this
Mm-hmm.
in the exception which you see below,
Mm-hmm.
where is the name of your program? Program one.
Where is the name?
Yeah, program one. Program one dot Java. Where do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, program one dot Java
Mm-hmm.
colon 9 means at line number 9 there is a problem.
In is equal to 9. Okay. I is equal to. Uh, what's wrong?
Go back to reference.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, okay, come to our method.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Uh,
come back to our program.
okay.
Mm, I equal to insert next, and
Mm,
I don't see any problem.
mm, yeah.
That's what. enter a value for I. Mm, no, not at all. I equal to mm, 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 mm. Yeah.
No.
Mm, mm, mm. So you don't have any chance of getting eclipse?
No, no, Anusha. I mean, this is like a tablet, and my desktop is not supporting the 64-bit, but I see it to be the 64-bit in the properties, but it is not supporting.
Okay, then you can install 32-bit. Not a big deal.
Sorry, the 32-bit, it says x86, but I didn't find a 32-bit actually.
x86 itself is 32-bit.
32-bit. Okay, sure, I'll download that on the
Mm,
desktop.
yeah.
If somebody has Eclipse, can they copy paste this so we can check?
Bring it to me.
Okay.
Where is my eclipse? Mm, 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 mm. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so you got my screen now?
Yeah, Anusha.
Okay. Mm, okay. It is asking me to close. Let me run it. Errors exist. What errors? So it's asking me. I will enter like 4, enter, then 8, enter. So 4 to the power of 8 is big number. There was no error in your code. Just that
Okay.
uh, whatever online application was not capable to take any input like Eclipse.
Okay, and like here you, I mean, we took like the two scanner variables, INI and the INJ. We can
Yeah,
just do it with one, right?
you can. So how you do it is, mm, so now
No, yeah.
it's clearly throwing errors and it is giving nice and I and delete. Now what? Okay, it's not a new, it's an existing one. Yeah, you can ignore this, not a big deal.
Okay.
Enter value of right to.
So when we use the try and catch, probably we don't get such errors.
No, no, we still get these are
Okay.
compile errors.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I have used only single variable here in, because I have already declared it here. I'm not going to declare it here again. I'll directly use it. Okay, so when I run it, I gave 2, I gave 5, it's at 32, even with the same variable. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. Then what else shall we practice next? Okay. Mm, we'll do one more simple program. Like you take an integer, like 3 or 4. Okay.
Okay.
Just edit the same program. And don't worry about
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
take one integer, then
Okay.
print it like we have these multiplication tables, right? 8x1 equal to 8, 8x2 equal to 16.
Okay.
So try to print it like that. So take some integer. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, what if my number is A7 now?
Which number is 7? I mean,
If my I gave int in line number 6, what if I give int I equal to 7? In line number 8, it will still print multiplication table of 6.
yeah. Okay.
So instead of this, I'll do it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm, okay. Now try to print 8x1, sorry, 6x1 equal to 6. Try to print it like that.
Yeah. Hmm.
Same like brackets, parentheses.
Okay.
Try to
Uh-huh.
close double quotations also, open, close, and then write matter inside it.
Oh, okay. Um,
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Is the line
mm,
number 10? Yeah.
no, no.
Mm.
Let me check if this works.
It'll work, but okay.
Error, cannot find the symbol. Okay. Symbol variable j. I declared it as int. Less than equal to 10
So
j plus plus.
that means
Mm-hmm.
J is not reachable.
Okay.
Because you did not put the brackets after for loop.
You mean like I need to start these?
No, not there.
Mhm.
After line number 8.
After line number 8.
Yeah, start them. No, not required.
Okay.
Yeah, start a parenthesis and close it after line number 10. Right. So that increases the scope of the variable j to 2 lines.
Okay.
So multiple table. So what did it print? Multiplication table of 6. Why do you want to print it so many times? Multiplication table of 6. Multiplication table of 6.
6I into j 6. Okay. Yeah.
So maybe you can that remove that and put it out of for loop,
Yeah.
not to print it so many times. Put it at line number 7. Right. Then what do you want to print? I into J6 or
No, I want to print it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The j.
right. So
Yeah.
let me do it. Mhm. My class. Oh, 1 second. I star J equal to shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Then maybe we have to write new line.
Oh, both of us.
That got joined, right?
Yeah, both of us put it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I is inside double quotations, it will not take value. It will be considered as a
Value.
string.
Yeah, string. Yeah, and it displays whatever is written inside. Got it.
That. Okay. We'll go to Muzamil sometime. Oh, Muzamil, I'm not able to make you presenter. Are you joining from a mobile or something?
Yeah, I am joined by a mobile.
You're on your mobile? Oh, in that
Yeah,
case,
my PC access battery was dead. It's not working right now.
oh, okay. So then you won't be able to practice with us like how Diksha was doing. No, right? Um,
Yeah, the mobile doesn't have the
no,
capacity
screen
to
share.
share this.
You cannot share your mobile screen. And
Oh, okay.
this software, whichever we are using, GoToMeeting, is not yet up to mobile. Okay. I'll make Umair as the presenter. Mm. Yeah, I made Umair as the presenter. Umair, you ready? Umair, are you on the call? Mm, Okay, Umer also cannot present. Fine, I'll continue with Diksha then. hmm What shall we practice next? Okay, I am texting a problem. Diksha?
Yeah, Anusha.
Yeah, looks like you're the only one with the capability to share your screen. So I just pinged another problem.
Okay.
So we have the inputs ready. All we need to do is calculate a formula, like a
Okay,
mathematical.
distance between the 2 points.
Yeah, I have given the formula as well. Okay, so you have to
Uh,
calculate the formula.
what formula is this? D
D
equal to
equals to
radius into arc of
arc
cos
arc cosine.
sine cos. Okay.
Like we have the sine theta cos theta stuff, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm,
So
okay.
just like the math.pow function, there are functions to
Mm-hmm.
calculate arc, cosine, sine, tan, and everything. So check how do we calculate sine using Java.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
hmm
I equal to in dot s I guess s dot new int. Okay.
hmm
G. Okay, I need to. Mm,
No
mm.
scanner, no scanner. The inputs are already given.
Oh, it's already given.
Yeah,
Okay.
like x1, like int x1 int y1 int j1, like all that you have. All the inputs I have provided in the same problem statement.
Okay. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay.
Mm. So just like sine and cos, we have something called arc cosine also. You can get a function for that as well. M capital. And you don't have to import in line number 1.
Okay. I mean, last program also we did, but it actually did not throw an error. So dot sign of x1. Okay, and that's I into mm, okay. Okay. Sign of this, plus cos. Okay. Okay. Cos of this. Oh no. This is a thing. No. Okay. Function I put this data. Done. Okay. Take another video. Mm. The Anusha? Hello?
So in line number 10, what is this radius?
No, I need to remove that. I was about to ask you, like, because here we're calculating with the radius, so I wanted
I
to know
gave
the
the
value of
radius
it.
also. I gave the radius also.
Okay, this is on 6.3.
Yeah,
Okay.
float. So if you're working on the same formula, keep all of them as float. Line number 6 and 7 also.
Okay. Alright. Oh, incompatible types.
Give it as
Anusha.
double. Float is not enough, it seems. All of them.
Okay.
That's what? Lossy conversion from float to double.
Okay.
35.5.
So we can put ing as integer, right? I mean, it does.
With something, we just keep everything the same. Right.
Okay.
Mm, K is already defined. So, okay. Yeah, give it as something else. Right. And then cannot find
Symbol.
the symbol.
Arcos. Okay.
So, like do Java arc. Arc cost is not there here. This is only about sign cost.
Mm, A cos, I guess it is.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Cool. So,
Bitwise value. Okay, because you're taking sin and cos, so it's in points. Okay. I was thinking we declared 6,000 and the value is just 7,000, 9,000. Okay.
yeah. So the distance between these 2 points is this so much.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. But actually the output is supposed to be 1480. 1480.
1480. Okay, maybe I messed up with the formula somewhere.
Okay. Not a problem. Like anyways, something is.
I ended there. Okay. I integer, you're taking a cost, right? I did that. And then you're multiplying that a cost with radius, actually, right? And then you're doing a plus.
If you understood
Oh,
how to work with formulas, that's enough. You don't have to.
okay.
Okay. And then we'll work on something else. Yeah. So take some array of like 5, 6 numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Get the highest number out of that array.
Okay.
Integers are enough. Not decimals are not required.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need so many variables, you'll need only one array. So hold your shift key and then press
Mm-hmm.
like up arrow, down arrow, side arrows. Like if you press, you'll understand. Like now delete or backspace you can do. Like you can delete the entire line.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it.
Or if you want to delete, like shift end, shift home.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Maximum December.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so when I asked you to like go through some Java examples, I asked you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this is the reason I wanted you to practice on Eclipse, like all of you.
Okay. Okay.
So once
Yeah.
going through, you will understand, but you won't be able to write it back. If you start practicing through Eclipse, you'll be
Mm-hmm.
able to easily redo it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So again the same mistake. I will not be propagated till line number 9.
Okay. Yeah.
And the current line number 9. No, no. Wait. Yeah. And this line you can do it once. So otherwise every time max will be array of 0 only. You won't be able to calculate the maximum.
Okay.
Let's put it before this.
See outside.
Yeah. So flower brackets, not the square
Okay.
bracket. Okay. Remove the brackets, no? Extra bracket.
Yeah.
Okay. So syntax errors.
Yeah.
So good to go. I'll message you some problems. I want you
Okay.
to do them on Eclipse. That will be your assignment for the weekend.
Sure.
Yeah. Uh, others, Muzammil, Umair.
Yes.
Yeah. So similar way, I'll give you some problem statements. You have to write code for them in Eclipse, nowhere else.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we save
And
it? Save it?
sorry, it was not
Can we
audible.
can we save it and send it to you?
Uh, we'll check it in the class. Okay. I mean, there is
Okay.
nothing less or more about any other person. It's like we will come to know what sort of mistakes are possible if there are any mistakes. So what sort of mistakes we might do and all. Okay. I'll give you like
Okay.
5 to 6 programs, not more than that. Okay.
So after this, we will move with HTML or?
Yeah.
Okay. And so, Anusha, yeah, like,
Mm-hmm.
so while using, I mean, when we are actually automating the applications,
Right.
so we will not be doing like the simple programs, right? I mean, like, we'll be identifying the keys, I mean, clicking on them, I mean, things like that. So,
Yeah.
are we gonna practice that too? I mean,
Yes, we'll practice them also like this only.
okay, 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 yeah,
Yeah, so I'll give you like 2, 3 simple programs in one page to click on a link to enter some text and click on submit.
okay, okay.
Okay, something like those. So any complicated stuff can be logically broken into small pieces, right?
I mean, the test case can be complicated, but the programming is like clicking and validating, right? I mean,
That's all.
whatever you do is always like clicking and validating only.
Exactly. It's more
So
of
coming up with test cases is difficult, but so the
right.
programming part or the Java part for us is going to be simple.
Yeah, if you are able to break your test case into logic, like
Okay.
how we did in the beginning. We could draw some flow chart out of it, right?
Okay. So
So
like
if
I
we
have
can,
another doubt. Where are we
sure.
gonna use those OOPS concepts like polymorphism, interference, and all that? Because yeah, at least in the web applications I worked, I haven't at least come across those. I couldn't connect them, the web applications which we were working on. So
Yeah,
I couldn't.
so what
I mean,
what we do is inheritance we will be using.
mhm.
Okay,
Okay,
most of the
okay,
times, and
okay,
abstraction, interface.
okay.
Those are
Okay,
like no, mostly no, very rare case.
okay,
We'll be using
okay,
inheritance for sure, but the others are like very rare cases. It's just to
okay,
know them, but we never use them actually.
okay,
Good
okay.
question. Yeah,
Yeah.
they are just for the sake of the person who is doing the interview.
Oh, okay, okay.
So yeah,
Yeah.
but in
Okay,
real time,
got it.
we will be using mostly inheritance and
Mhm.
polymorphism. Yes, we will use it.
Use it. Okay.
Yeah.
And I mean, like in your current application, is it like the manual team is different and the automation team is different? So they write test cases for you and give it to you, or
No,
you would do it yourself? Okay.
no, the same person does both. I get a
Oh.
new application on hand or
Mm-hmm.
an existing application, and I write the test cases in any tool or Excel sheet.
Excel sheet. Okay, okay.
Any tool or
Okay.
Excel sheet, mostly Excel sheet, and then I upload into the tool with help of some plugin. Okay.
Okay, but it is like we automate it when the application is stable, right? So when an
Yeah.
application is standing at a scratch level, we don't do it.
No, we don't do it. Once it is stable, then only we'll be able to do it because
Oh.
effort is waste. If something is going to change, there's no
Mm-hmm.
point in automating it.
Okay,
At
okay,
least
okay.
one stable version we will release. Once the
Mm-hmm.
stable version is released, we will start
Mm-hmm.
automating the test cases.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
so we'll practice writing test cases also because the way a manual tester writes the test cases and the way a automation tester writes is entirely different. Okay, so
Okay, like in Wells Fargo, we used to do it everything and we used to just give them and they used to automate it. So not sure if they used to convert them back to their, I mean, their way of doing it, but yeah.
yeah,
As far as we remember, we used to explain them the functionality and give it to them. So they would automate it. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay. That's the reason I was asking, like you do it yourself or there's a manual team which does it for you.
no, no, we have to do it ourselves. Okay,
Okay.
so if you already know writing test cases, I'll just give you a simple website. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and there is, yeah, yeah, I've pinged you in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
You have, if you open in the laptop or computer,
Mm-hmm.
you will
Mm-hmm.
have this sample usernames and passwords. In mobile, you won't be able to see them.
Mm-hmm.
If you open them on a system, you'll be able to see like system administrator, user and password.
Okay. Okay.
So log in with system administrator
Mm-hmm.
and just write some test cases for them. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. I mean, this week or when you're taking up the manual classes? I mean,
If you have some time, do it this week. Otherwise, we'll do it during manual classes anyways.
okay, sure, sure. Okay.
Anyways, I'll ask everyone to write test cases.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay, Anusha. Yeah, thank you.
All right. I'll ping you the problems for
Sure.
for the assignment. Right?
Sure, sure. Okay. Yep.
Yeah. And in
Okay.
the chat window, I have put another way of doing this, finding the maximum number.
Mm, list integers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I
So
think
this is
list
using the
integers.
list
Okay.
collections.
Mm-hmm. Collections. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So
Got it.
the same thing using
Mm-hmm.
collections. It looks quite simple, right?
Okay. Yeah, actually.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
one second. Okay, happening.
Sure. Okay. Bye-bye.